Yo, I want everybody to wake up today, and I want you to look in the mirror, you know what I'm saying? I want you to tell yourself that today gonna be your day. No matter how yesterday went, you know what I'm saying? No matter how your day started off, but I want you to wake up. I want you to look in the mirror, and I want you to say, hey, today gonna be my day. Because remember, words are powerful. The things that you speak, you know what I'm saying, will come true. The things that you believe will manifest. You got to manifest it, but you got to do the work. But it all starts with your mindset. Remember, believe your mindset. Believe in you. You be your biggest supporter, man. You know what I'm saying? Every single day from this day forward, wake up and say, yo, I'm going to make it. Yo, today going to be my day. Yo, I'm a king. I'm a queen. I'm not going to settle for less. I'm not going to settle for, you know what I'm saying, anything that I feel like I'm not capable of getting. So remember that, man. Remember that today going to be your day. Bud City Motivation.